Welcome to the social science class, children. And today we are going to start with a topic that is political divisions of India. In my previous sessions, I have discussed about this chapter to you, where I talked to you about the political division of India. That means the states of India. So today I am going to continue with the same chapter, political divisions of India. So, children, in my previous chapter, in my previous session, I talked to you about the location of India, how many states are there, like 28 states are there, and who are the neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, Oman. All these countries are the neighboring countries of India. Along with it, we discuss about that the India is a peninsula country. I told you that there are 28 states and 8 union territories. We talk about the state like Andhra Pradesh, we talk about Arunachal Pradesh, we talk about Assam, we talk about Bihar, as well as we talk about Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Karnataka. So we discussed about these states in my previous session. Now today I'll start with the Kerala. Clear? So the new state which I'm going to talk about to you is about Kerala. So the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and it was called Trivandrum. Malayalam is the language which is spoken here. And do you know that which are the 5 states which lie along the Arabian Sea? Can anyone tell me? Of course, I'll tell you now. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. All these 5 states lie along the Arabian Sea. And Kerala has 14 districts. Now, next state is your Madhya Pradesh. So, when we talk about Madhya Pradesh, children, we know that the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, and the language which is spoken here is which language? Hindi, Urdu, and Bengali. Do you know that? Bagheli, sorry. And the Bagheli is spoken here. Yes. And basically people speak Hindi mainly over here. Now next is your state which I am going to discuss is Maharashtra. Yes. Just now we have learned about Mumbai also in a previous in the class, and in this Maharashtra state lie, where does it lie? It lie below the Gujarat and faces to near the, or we can say it is near the Arabian Sea, or we can say it faces the Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea, which is the capital of Maharashtra. We have 36 districts in Maharashtra, children. Okay, and now the question is, when we talk about Maharashtra, is which languages are spoken here? So the languages which are spoken here in Maharashtra is Marathi and Hindi basically. Children, do you know that Mumbai was earlier called Bombay? And if you look carefully, is there any similarity between the map of India and the map of Maharashtra? Yes, more or less the shape of India and Maharashtra is same. Clear? So our next is your Manipur. So when we talk about the Manipur, we are moving towards the eastern part of India. So Manipur, its capital is Imphal, and we have 16 districts in Manipur. And the main language is Manipuri. Apart from Manipuri, it has basically the Manipuri is the main language of the Manipur state. Okay. And if you see Manipur, you will find that this state shared a boundary with a border with Myanmar. So next in line is your Meghalaya. Yes, Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. And what does Meghalaya means? Meghalaya means home of clouds. So we have Khasi, Garo, Assamese, English are the languages spoken here. And children, Monsiram is a place in Meghalaya which receives the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, and it is in Meghalaya only. Our next state is your Mizoram. So when we say Mizoram, its capital is Aizawl. Clear? And this state share the border with Myanmar. Mizo and English are the main languages which are spoken here. Apart from these, they have Chakma and Lakhe. These are the languages which are spoken in Mizo. So, our next state is Odisha. We have learned about Mizoram, now Odisha. Odisha, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, children, and we have 30 districts in Odisha. And the languages which are spoken in Odisha are Oriya, Magdi. Clear? So these are the languages which are spoken in Odisha, children. So we'll talk about the next state, that is your, earlier the name was Orissa. Next is Rajasthan. So when we talk about Rajasthan, we know that its capital is Jaipur. Rajasthani, Hindi, Marwari, and these are the languages which are spoken here in Rajasthan. Next is Punjab. So when we talk about Punjab, you know that we always recognize by that it's a state and its capital is Chandigarh, and Punjabi and Hindi are spoken here. Next in line is your Sikkim. So when we talk about Sikkim, we know that the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. And what is the location of Sikkim? Sikkim is in between Nepal and Bhutan. If you see the location of Sikkim, and Bhutia, Nepali and Lepcha are the main languages which are spoken here. Even the Tibetan is also spoken here. So now, our next state in line is Tamil Nadu. When we say Tamil Nadu, we all know that when we talk about this state Tamil Nadu, it was earlier called Madras, and its capital is Chennai, which was called Madras, the old name of Chennai. Tamil is the language spoken here. We have 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. Then, if we see the bottom of the Tamil Nadu, it is Kanyakumari. Clear? When we see the bottom of the Tamil Nadu, we find that the Kanyakumari is there. So, our next state is Telangana. That's the new state. Yes. And Telangana, where it is? It is in Hyderabad. Where it is? It is which is the capital? The capital is Hyderabad, children. And this is the new state. First of all, we have 33 districts, and Telugu, Urdu are the main languages which are spoken here, children. So, our next state is Nagaland. So, when we talk about Nagaland, we know that these are all the northeastern states. So, let us see that its capital is Kohima. Which capital? Capital is Kohima. Sema and Lotha are the languages basically spoken here, apart from English, Nagamese and Assamese. Naga shawls are very famous, children. Okay, so now see the next state. So when the next state we see is Tripura. Which state? Tripura. So, and the capital of Tripura is Agartala. We can say Agartala. Okay, Agartala. And when we see that that Tripura shares the borders, or we can say it shares the boundaries with Bangladesh, Bangla, and Chakma. Okay, it shares with Bangladesh. And what are the languages here? The languages spoken here are Assamese, Tripuri, Bangla, and Chakma are also spoken here as a language. So, our next is your Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is your state and it is the most populous state of India. We have 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh. And the languages spoken here is Hindi, Urdu, Avdi, Bhojpuri are the languages which are spoken here in Uttar Pradesh. And the capital is Lucknow. So, the next state is your Uttarakhand. So, when we talk about Uttarakhand, we know that it is, once it was a part of Uttar Pradesh, children. Yes, Uttarakhand was a part of Uttar Pradesh once. And, or we can say it was earlier a part of Uttar Pradesh. Hindi and Kumanu Garhwali are the languages which are spoken here. And the capital is Dehradun. And in this state we have only 13 districts. Clear? Our next state is West Bengal. So when we talk about West Bengal, we know that West Bengal capital is Kolkata, which was earlier a Calcutta. It was called Calcutta. And we have 23 districts in Kolkata. And Bangla is the language spoken here in Kolkata. And do you know that which are the 4 states which lie along the Bay of Bengal? So let us know that the states which lie along the Bay of Bengal, or sometimes I say Mr. Bob, is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal, and even your Telangana. Clear? So they all lie in the near the Bay of Bengal. And next is we're going to talk about the Union Territories. So when we talk about the Union Territories, we know that all the Union Territories, what is the word? It is a small unit which is directly under the control of the central government. What do we mean by the Union government? Union government is a small unit of India, which is governed directly by the central government. Okay, and we have the 8 union territories in India. So, and first union territory is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island is Port Blair. And how many districts are there? There are 3 districts. What are the languages spoken here? The languages which are spoken here are Nicobarese, Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. Okay. And next is your Chandigarh. Clear? The next the next union territory which I am going to speak is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab also. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana also. And Chandigarh itself is a union territory. Clear? So we can say that Chandigarh is a planned city. It is a union territory. It is also the capital of Punjab and Haryana. So the languages spoken here are Hindi and Punjabi. And the district is, we have only one district, that is Chandigarh. So next is your Dadar and Nagar Haveli. So when we talk about the Dadar and Nagar Haveli, we know that or we can say Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So when we say Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, we know that the capital of Daman and Diu is Daman and Dadar and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa. Clear? And we have 3 districts there, and languages spoken here is Gujarati, Konkani and Marathi. Next is your Delhi. Yes, NCR we can say cities are there. So your Union Territory Delhi and the capital itself is Delhi. We have 11 districts there. and languages spoken is Hindi. Delhi, you already know that it's a historical city also, where we have Indraprasth, we have Red Fort. It's basically an historical city, Union Territory. Now, next is your Jammu and Kashmir, and the capital is Srinagar, which is in during the summer season, and Jammu is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir during the winter. And the district here are 20, and the languages which are spoken here are Dogri and Urdu. Clear? But next is in the line is Lakshadweep. So when we say Lakshadweep, it is very much clear that these are the islands, and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavarati. And we have only one district, and the language spoken here are Malayalam and English. Clear? So the next is your Puducherry. So when we say Puducherry, we know that the earlier name was Pondicherry, and the capital of Puducherry is Puducherry only, and it has 4 districts, languages Tamil, English and French. Then comes your Ladakh. Ladakh capital is Leh or Kargil. It's a new capital. It's a new union territories. Okay, earlier India has 29 states and 7 union territories. This is a new territory which is formed, and that is why now India has 8 territories. So, its capital is Leh and Kargil. Kargil war is very famous. You all know that. It's a historical war between India and Pakistan. And districts are 2. Languages are Ladakhi, Urdu and Hindi. Okay, so with this we end up with the chapter, that is your political division of India, and I hope you are able to understand this chapter. Thank you, children.